Did you know that scary story videos are currently one of the fastest rising niches on YouTube and TikTok? These bite-sized, chilling clips based on real conspiracies, strange encounters, and dark historical mysteries are pulling in millions of views every single day. Some creators who only started recently have already crossed over 100,000 subscribers, with every upload racking up massive traction. But here's the real secret. It's not just about the stories themselves, it's the way they're delivered. Viral channels mix haunting narration, eerie cinematic cartoon visuals, and an atmosphere so tense it grabs you instantly. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how you can create your own viral scary story videos using 100% free AI tools. Make sure you stay with me until the end because each step connects to the next, and missing even one could mean your video won't reach its full potential. Let's dive right in.
The very first step is coming up with the right idea. This is absolutely critical. Without a strong concept, your video simply won't have the viral spark. If you've already got creepy tales or conspiracy theories in mind, that's fantastic. You can start from there. But if you'd rather let AI do the heavy lifting, no problem. I've prepared a Google Doc packed with powerful prompts you can use to instantly generate unique video ideas for this niche, including pre-made prompts for full scripts. You'll find the link to that Google Doc right down in the description, so don't skip it. Quick break. If you're still watching, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this tutorial out to more creators just like you. All right, back to the process. Open up the Google Doc and copy the video idea prompt. Next, head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Paste a prompt in, but adjust one simple detail. Choose how many ideas you want it to generate. Hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will return a full list of unique scary story concepts built for this niche. Take your time, go through the list and pick the one that stands out the most. Choosing wisely here is what sets the stage for everything that follows. Now that we've locked in our idea, the next step is crafting the actual script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt I've provided. Then, paste it into ChatGPT. Just like before, swap in the number that matches the idea you selected. Hit enter and ChatGPT will generate a complete, ready-to-use scary story script tailored exactly to your chosen topic. You can leave it as is or refine it to match your personal storytelling style. Either way, this step saves you hours of writing and guarantees your video is built on strong, gripping narration. Next, let's create a professional voiceover. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators available. Go to 11 Labs, sign up for a free account, and once you're inside, head over to Instant Speech. Copy the script you just generated, paste it into the text box, and clean that up by removing any unnecessary parts like headings or notes. Then, browse through the wide library of AI voices. Take time to preview different tones until you find one that perfectly matches the mood of your scary story. When you're happy with your choice, click Generate Speech. Within minutes, you'll have a studio-quality narration ready to download straight to your device.
With the voiceover ready, it's time to work on visuals. Before we generate images, we'll need a strong reference. Go back to the Google Doc, download or screenshot the sample image provided. This reference will help us mimic the exact eerie cinematic cartoon style that's trending right now. Once you've saved it, copy the image prompt below the reference and head back into ChatGPT. Upload your saved image, paste the prompt, and hit enter. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple detailed prompts you can use to create visuals that look professional and on brand with the horror niche. Now we generate the images themselves. You can use any text-to-image AI tool, but in this tutorial, I'll demonstrate with ChatGPT. Take the first prompt, paste it in, and wait for the image to render. Sometimes it takes a little while, but the result is worth it. Once complete, download the image to your device. Repeat the process with the rest of your prompts until you've got a full set of visuals. By doing this, you'll end up with consistent, eerie artwork that instantly gives your scary story videos that viral look and feel.
Next comes background music, the part that ties everything together. For this, we'll be using Suno. Create a free account, and when you're inside, click on the Music Creation tool. Select Instrumental since we don't want lyrics, only atmospheric soundscapes. Now, to get the right vibe, jump back into ChatGPT and ask it what style of music fits your script. Copy the suggestion, paste it into Suno's prompt box, give your track a title, and hit Create. In a few seconds, Suno will generate 2 custom instrumentals.
Preview them both and download the one that creates the creepiest, most suspenseful mood. The final step is editing, and for this we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import all the images we generated earlier. Change your aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Adjust each clip so they fill the screen with no black bars. Then bring in your AI voiceover. Trim out mistakes and long pauses so the narration flows smoothly. Next, sync your clips to match the story. To make it more dynamic, add subtle movements. Select the clip, insert a keyframe at the start, move to the end and zoom slightly in or out. Repeat across other clips with variations to keep viewers hooked. Then add effects. Search for shake, apply it, set intensity to 5 and speed to 3, and drag it across your whole timeline. This creates a subtle cinematic tension that viral horror channels use. Don't forget captions. Go to text, click auto captions, pick a template, and let CapCut generate subtitles for you. Resize and position them where they look best. Captions boost engagement and retention, especially for viewers watching without sound. Finally, bring in the background music from Suno. Trim it to your video length and lower the volume so it supports, not overpowers the narration. When everything looks and sounds perfect, play the full video from start to finish. If you're happy, export in 4K for the best quality and download your finished masterpiece.
You know 5 children vanished during a Christmas Eve house fire and were never seen again? In 1945, the Sauter family home in West Virginia burst into flames just after midnight. The parents and 4 of their 9 children escaped, but the others were trapped inside. George Sauter tried everything, dragging a ladder, starting his trucks, but every attempt failed, almost as if fate itself had sealed the house shut.
And that's it! You've just created a viral-ready scary story video from scratch using only free AI tools. If you found this tutorial valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI automation guides, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be answering them.